Alright, Victorinox fixed blade Wind Sharp Pro versus the water bottle. It was nothing. Here's a cut. There's a cut here, but not a so nice one. So one more time. Yeah, this was nice. Nice cut. Another one. Yeah. Okay, it is sharp, that's for sure. Yeah. Comes with this Kydex, not Kydex, plastic sheath with this loop. You can put the loop here, you have it here. You can put the blade inside like this or inside like this. This is kind of cool. Does it hold the blade? Yeah. Look, wow, it sticks. It can hold the blade, not too bad. It's easy. It's nothing too fancy, but it works. It has here a super nice belt loop, but it's too small. For a typical compact belt, this would be much too small, but okay. You have here a lanyard, whatever shit this is. Blade looks like this. I'll have the red one because I'm a woke people, I am, and my pronouns are them and her. And this is my color, purple red. Victorinox, it's Swiss made. Steel is 14c28n 59 HRC Rockwell. I think it's the first fixed blade from Victorinox, and now I'm gonna fuck it. Fucking big time. Because I like to fuck blades. Okay, what I wanna know is, can I get down a live tree with this blade? Let's see. Yep, the live tree is done. Nice. That's pretty soft wood. It's pretty soft one, but it's doing nicely. No damage, nothing at the blade. Okay, we try something more hard, like my dick. It's hard. It's very soft wood, so easy to get through. No problem for the Victorinox. I will try something more hard, like that fucker here. Okay, the edge after that, the live tree, it's nothing. Now that tree. Yep, it's through. And no rollings, nothing. About 230 minutes, no rollings, nothing. Fantastic. This blade is razor, nice and smooth. Of course, not a chopper, but it can also do dead wood. Okay, I was wrong. This one fits on a UF Pro compact band, the belt loop. I call this the dick reaction force. So if you need to deploy a blade, you have it here with this strap. The strap off, stick out, or blade out, and here we go. Awesome. Check this out. So they should be on there, and then it's not going anywhere. Should not go anywhere. It's nice. This off. For this you have this strap here. Off, out, awesome, nice. Thick reaction force. Okay. Not short to baton. Is there, Victorinox. Pronoun is there. There. The she tree against the Victorinox. Alright. Wow, look at this. Look at this fucking gloriole. Wow, this is awesome. This is freaking fantastic. I hope it doesn't break. I think that's fucking it. I perform my open heart surgery on the walk, people. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Huh. That's what I call a fucking baton. Awesome, fantastic. And the blade, nothing. Freaking nothing. Yeah. The thick reaction force strikes again. Okay, after all its reaction, check it out. The edge is razor, nothing. Can it still cut the grubby? No, not really. Like this. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. It's still razor. It's still razor. It just doesn't have the shape, the grind to cut the water bottle too good. But this is awesome. Nice. Okay, the tip is too fancy. No. Come, vámonos. Oh shit, it's bended. The tip is bended. Wow. Okay, now it's broken. And heavy breakouts. Wow, wow. Heavy fucking breakouts at the edge. Check this out. That's definitely shit. Okay, some more. Wow. That's fucked up. When it's penetrating, yeah. But the edge is completely fucked. Nice penetration. Okay. Wow, that's fucked up. It's still penetrated, but that's fucked up. The stabs were actually pretty awesome from the Victorinox. Pretty deep, even without the tip, you could penetrate. This is not yeah, I fucking cut myself with this fucked up blade. Yeah, and here also some stabs. Not too bad, the stabs. And here you can see the breakouts. The breakouts are, wow, this is unbelievable. This is so bad. This should not happen, I think. I don't think that this should happen at the survival blade. Survival blade. The penetration is awesome, but this edge is completely fucked up. The tip is fucked very quickly, and this is unacceptable. This is from stabbing inside the metal, it breaks out like shit. This is so fucked up. This is fucked up. I mean, it still can penetrate, but check this shit out. I mean, you have no hot spots when you stab or something, and it's easy to get through the metal, which is cool, but this is fucked up. Victorinox, you're not in my dick reaction force anymore. You are in the damn there reaction force now. Because this is fucked up. This is bullshit. This is so fuck shit. Can't believe how this breaks out. Unbelievable. Fucking unbelievable. Okay, check out the edge again. Now this looks like completely fucked up. Door, car door. Yeah, it's getting even worse. It's getting even fucking worse. Wow. Okay, this is done now. This is damage at the car door. I mean, okay, it's not supposed to do that. Nice, but this fucked the edge completely. Okay, Victorinox, I don't want to piss on your parade or so, but this should not supposed to happen because you advertising this as a survival blade. This is not a survival blade, this is a butter knife. Okay, it's not a yellow from the egg. You can see the blade cut me at my finger, which is cool, I like it, it fights back. But this is pretty unacceptable after the car. I mean, these breakouts are severe. This blade is fucked. This blade you can throw away. But when you have a really tough tree, I think it can happen that this blade will roll or chip. And this is unacceptable for a 60 euro blade. For this you can buy a Mora for 15 euro and you have the same shit. Alright, I fucked them there at the tip test. Because I like to fuck blades. Okay, check it out. It's fucked completely. Completely. Tip is fucked. Tip test. Okay, man, it was cool, but now it broke a bit more. A bit more it broke. Alright. Oh shit. This was super easy. Super easy break. Oh. Not too good. One more time. One more freaking time. Nothing. Oh shit. This was fucking easy. This was too easy. This is like it broke like paper. I never saw this before and it's so easy to break. Okay. Break test. Okay, this tip broke like paper. Unbelievable how shit this was. Okay, now break test. I start with the edge. Yeah, this edge is completely fucked, of course. Alright, spine. edge. Wow. Okay, spine time. Okay, kaboom after 2 minutes. And it's fucked. Alright, the tip test was pretty bad. The second break was like I break paper. The second break was so easy, unbelievable. It was never so easy like this, I think. It is a very thin spine, but okay. But still, this should not happen. Here's the edge retention after the break. Of course, it's going down for sure. Here it broke after 2 minutes at the break while hitting the spine. It's okay, I didn't thought it can take so much. I was thinking it breaks much earlier, but this break was okay. This is not too bad, 2 minutes break. But the tip test is very bad, the edge retention is very bad, and this blade is 60 euro. Okay, now their handle. Wow. Wow, this handle material is awesome. I think this is indestructible. Now the blade broke out. I think it looks like a shit tank. Looks like shit tank to me. Yeah. Okay, some more at the handle. Okay, I'm not gonna break this handle, that's for sure. This is indestructible. One more time. Okay, my fanboys from Switzerland. This was the Swiss made Victorinox Venta. Comes with this fancy carton, Venture Pro. Nice. Sheath. Here the edge, here it broke. Looks like shit tank to me. Here again the edge retention. I showed it you 10,000 times again, but yeah, I need to show you that this will happen to your blade. And this is bullcrap. This is bullshit how this breaks out. And the best thing at this blade is the fucking handle. The handle is awesome, indestructible, nice material. I think this material is even grippier and better than on the Mora knives. So this handle is awesome. This is one of the best handles on a small fixed blade I ever had. Really nice in the hand, and you can see indestructible. I cannot destroy it with the brick. I need to cut it open and show you then the shit tank if it's inside. But all in all, I paid 60 euro for this blade, and for this amount of money I would buy a cheap Mora, a Mora heavy duty companion like this, and it will serve you better. Even I think a Garberg, a Mora Garberg is more expensive, but we can take more abuse than this one. So don't waste the 60 euro on this blade. I mean, the handle is fantastic, but the Mora handles are cool too. And if I want to go fixed blade, I go with the Garberg. If I want to go cheap, I go with the heavy duty carbon steel or stainless steel. And this I think is a stainless steel. This is 14c28n. Here you can see it. I don't know why it breaks so easy. I don't know why it's chipping out so easy. That's unacceptable. The tip breaks easy. The second break was bullshit. I don't know. What the fuck? And I don't know how some fanboys can advertise this place on YouTube. Yeah, and now I'm not gonna shoot it, I just open it and then I'll show you the shit tank. Alright. Okay, I will try to open the Victorinox with the SOG Trident. It's not sharp anymore, but we will see. It's super tough. This is unbreakable. Looks like this. But This I need to open differently. Okay, the handle is indestructible. Now try to open it with the GLOCK. Okay, now it's open. Nice. Okay, my friends, that's the end now of the Victorinox handle. If you cannot open something with a blade, use a GLOCK. 4 shots, you can see 4 shots, and then it went open. It cracked directly in the middle, which is cool. But here you can see the 4 shots. Really tough plastic. Here the other part, indestructible stuff. The GLOCK opened it up and it is full tang. It's a tangless deck. It's not a shit tang, I would say it's full tang. The tang is like this is the end. So it goes completely through, which is nice. And it's bedded inside here. Today it's about 45 degrees Celsius. So maybe that's an issue, but it cannot be an issue usually because it's a survival blade. Maybe the handle is 50 euro and the blade is 10 euro. This is the normal version of the blade. There is a Victorinox Pro special edition where you have all this survival shit gear on the blade, which is in my opinion completely useless because this costs 120 euro. And then you have a blade like this and a package. It's thick like this. You can see it in other videos. For me this is useless. And this 60 is also too much. Okay, that's it now. Ciao, it's fucking hot. My dear knife manufacturers, knife brands, big knife brands like Tops, Cold Steel, Gerber and all those high names. Don't fuck with us. Don't sell us shit. Don't advertise shit. When it's shit, just say it's shit. Say, I produced a knife, it's expensive and it sucks balls. When you say this and there are some people who will buy it because there are so many fucking fanboys out there, it's fine. But don't advertise as indestructible, Bear Grylls survived in the fucking jungle with it. Because my name is SCHWEIZ and I will expose you all. It's so hot. I go to sleep now.